Stay tuned for the Rekluse manual slave cylinder. Kevin here again with Lifestyle Cycles, and we've got Danny on board today to talk to us about the Rekluse manual slave cylinder. Love the look of this thing, heard great things about it. What can you tell me, Danny?
Thank you, Kevin. This is our billet slave cylinder, replaces the OEM slave cylinder. One thing that's much more durable than the stock unit. Basically, we have a billet machine part that's hard anodized, where the OEM piece has actually a plastic piston.
Yeah,
so it's much more durable. With hydraulics, you can play the game. It's kind of like sprockets. You can go to a larger or smaller piston to reduce clutch lever effort. But when you do that, basically you give up something. You give up lift as you pull in the clutch lever. So there's kind of a limit to how far you can go. Depends on the model, but we reduce the clutch lever pull by anywhere from 20 to 30% with our slave cylinder. Combine that with some of our other products, and again, you can get up to 50 to 60% lighter clutch lever pull depending on the model year or model of your bike.
Well, one thing that I've noticed, I've got a Milwaukee 8 Road Glide, and I notice on my clutch, it's just kind of an on-off. I don't really get the feeling of the clutch actually engaging smoothly. What in this does that for us?
So I've also heard this, that with the newer Milwaukee 8 hydraulic clutches, they feel more like an on-off switch. Kind of the clutch fully disengages and releases over a very short travel of the lever. So with this, by going to a larger piston, we not only reduce the effort, but we also broaden that friction zone. So you have more throw of the lever to fully control the clutch engagement. It makes it less likely to stall the motor and just gives you better control at slow speed maneuverability.
Okay, so in your opinion, what pain points does this product solve?
I would say for someone who wants a lighter clutch lever feel, and also for someone who's not comfortable with that very short travel of the lever where it's kind of, again, an on-off switch with the clutch lever, and again, giving you just more control, more throw of the lever to fully control the clutch.
That's great. Again, can't wait to do an install video with one of these and test ride it around a little bit and get the feel for it, and definitely get you some feedback, and definitely be getting you guys some feedback on the great products from Rekluse. All right, and again, Danny, thanks so much for coming in. It's great seeing you as always. Look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you, Kevin.
All
Appreciate
right.
it.
Thanks for having me. Soon.
Well, wait. Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.